guys, today we are going to be ranking World Cup continents from 2022 World Cup. We are going to be ranking all of those countries. And let's go. Right, we are started. Okay, Argentina. I will put you in second tier. If you didn't get beat by Saudi Arabia, then maybe we will put you in first tier. Anyway, Australia, grouped, yeah. Belgium, grouped. Third tier, actually. Brazil, second tier, that's a big one. Doesn't deserve qualification, I'm sorry. You two, yeah, I think you two, yeah. You, third tier. Denmark. Well, they have really good players. They have, just some good players, like him and this and that and all. So we're gonna put them in grouped. Venezuela, I believe, or Ecuador. I think we are gonna put you in the group tier. England, ooh, second tier. France, they have like Mbappe. No, they have Dembele. They have Olise. They have like dictator Mbappe. We are gonna put you in the second tier. Germany. The only good player from Germany is newer, so we're gonna put you in grouped. Senegal doesn't deserve qualification. Iran, definitely. No, hell no. Japan. Oh, grouped. Get a picture. Mexico, third tier. Yeah. Morocco. They beat Portugal, so we're gonna put you in second tier. The Netherlands. Are they good? I think they are. Well, they have Virgil van Dijk, Van de Ven, so I think we are gonna put you in third tier. Yeah. Lewandowski, skibidi, Lewandowski, Neymar, Tama, skibidi, Palma. We are gonna put you in. We are putting you in third tier. Yeah, third tier. Portugal. Hasele Sochego. We are gonna put you in second tier, of course. Okay, Qatar, the host country. We're gonna put you in first tier. Not because I'm from Qatar, but it's the host country, so we are gonna put you in first tier. Is that Ghana or Senegal? No, the other one's Ghana and this one is Senegal. Senegal was a pretty good team, so they have Sadio Mane, so probably in third tier. Yeah. Serbia. The only good player, Brozo. The only good player is the two Savages. The Savage from Al Hilal and the other Savage from the Pro League. So we are gonna put you in third tier. Saudi Arabia. Woohoo! Definitely first tier. I am from Saudi Arabia and we beat Argentina, so that's why. I have two reasons. We beat Argentina and that's my country. South Korea. Son Young-hoo, John Kim Jong-un, Un. This is all play. I'm sorry, guys. But group. I'm sorry if I made you. Spain. Xavi, Ozri Bajal. Not Lamine Yamal because they didn't qualify in the 2022 World Cup. So we are putting you. I have to put you in third tier, man. Switzerland doesn't deserve qualification. Tunisia, they're quite good. Not that good, but they're white, so I think I'm gonna put you in. Doesn't matter. You get your color qualification. Anyway, Uruguay. Where do we put you, Uruguay? I think you should be in. Should be in a carrot. Yeah, it should be a carrot. Yeah. I don't know where I should put you on. I think third tier. USA. They are actually a pretty good team. They have Pulisic, Tillman, Turner, Ream. Who else? Aronson, I think so, yeah. And who else do they have? Adams, yeah. Their team is actually pretty decent, so I gotta put you in second tier. Wales doesn't deserve qualification. Like, why do they even deserve qualification, man? So no, okay, fine. Okay, these actually let me actually upgrade some stuff, because these are actually unfair. The only two countries on first tier are Qatar, and we're gonna put you in Argentina and Brazil in here, England third tier, France here, because wait, France reached the finals. Wait, I'm actually so dumb. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna keep Morocco in third tier, and the US, I think will stay here, Portugal in there. Yeah, I think Morocco should go here. Uruguay should go up. England, you should stay. Belgium should go up. Croatia should go up. Mexico, you should go down. No, it should go down. Ooh, Poland. I'm sorry, man. Senegal, you should stay. Serbia, you should go up a bit. Spain, you should go to the left. Australia doesn't deserve qualification. Wales. And I think that's it, guys, for our ranking tier. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much. Bye.